To start creating our first application, go to My Apps and create New App. As we indicated in previous chapters, most templates include a series of elements, modules, services, and customization. Since in this case we want to create an app from scratch, we will choose one of the starter templates, which, besides being the simplest type, is also for free. In my case, I will choose Starter Left Menu. As soon as you select it, you will be asked to give it a name. In this case, I will call it Wild Animals, although you will be able to name it however you want. If you're not sure of the name, don't worry because you can edit it at any time. Click on Create. This template already comes with a sliding menu and 3 HTML modules. Start by removing 2 of these. Indicate that you're sure of the action when the builder asks for it. Once this is done, start configuring the module. Each module has its own editing screen. Click on the button with a pencil and access the window. If you have worked previously with WordPress or other CMS, this part will be familiar. This is a window with WYSIWYG options, which will allow you to write as if you were a word processor and getting a result very similar to what you are seeing while you enter elements in it. I will dedicate this HTML module page to the lion animal card. The first thing I will do is change the name of the module to lion so that it is reflected in the header of my app. I already have a prepared text, so I just paste it here. You can check by saving that our work is actually reflected in the visualizer. Let's go back to editing the module to make changes in the text. As you can see, you can add bold and italic text. You will also be able to convert certain fragments into larger titles, such as H1, H2, H3 of a block, align right, left, centered, or justified. Changing the color of the text and its background is as simple as clicking and choosing this option. Add a URL over a line of text as if it were a hyperlink, so that when you press it will direct you to the linked website by opening a new window in the browser of your mobile. To do this, select the text, click on this link's chain and enter the URL. In this case, it is recommended to highlight the text linked with bold and another color different than black. Another possibility is to insert images or videos hosted in any URL. In this case, I will insert the image of a lion. I will indicate a width of 300 pixels so that it's not over-dimensioned and maintains the proportions. Click on Save and you're done. If you wish, you can combine the 2 previous options, adding an image and adding a hyperlink to turn it into a button. Place the cursor where you would like to insert the button, enter the URL of the image, select Size and Accept. I wanted to insert a button to my social networks, so I added an icon for each of them. Now simply select the image, click on the link and paste the URL where you want to go. Click on Save and check that the link works. If at any time you see that your changes are not being made, I recommend you to press Ctrl or Command more Shift and R to reload the page without catching. Finally, a detail. Did you see this box that indicates Module Icon? This thumbnail, a house by default according to this template, will be shown when the menu is displayed. You can change it and add one of this list or upload your own, choosing to upload an icon stored on our computer or inserting from a URL. In this case, I will insert an icon stored on my PC. Since my application will collect several animal cards, I will repeat the process as many times as animals I want to show. To add new modules, go to the homonymous window, Add Module, and in the search engine write HTML. Of the 2 that appear, we choose HTML, not container, which will be seen in more advanced courses. Once available, we add it repeating as we did with the previous one, adapting the content to another animal. Repeat again the configuration process of all HTML modules.